UK business bank account for Indian founders in 2026. Application delayed, or worse, rejected. It's not about nationality, it's about risk clarity. Here's what actually gets approved in 2026. The first question most Indian founders ask is simple. Is it actually possible to open a UK business bank account while living in India? The short answer is yes, but only when done correctly. Indian residents are allowed to apply for UK business bank accounts. Banks do not reject applications based on citizenship alone. What they care about is how clearly you present your risk profile. UK banks assess applications based on risk, not promises. They evaluate documents, consistency, and business logic. Approval is earned, it is never automatic. Now let's understand why applications get rejected. Most rejections are preventable. They happen due to avoidable compliance mistakes. One of the biggest reasons is weak proof of address. If your address documents are unclear, outdated, or inconsistent, the application usually stops right there. Many founders rush the application process. They submit incomplete forms, unclear explanations, or missing documents. Speed almost always reduces approval chances. These are compliance issues, not nationality issues. Banks are not rejecting you for being Indian. They are rejecting uncertainty. Next, let's compare fintech banks and traditional banks. Choosing the right starting point makes a big difference. Both have very different expectations. Fintech banks are usually the preferred option for non-resident founders. They are built for digital onboarding and remote verification. This makes the process smoother and faster. Traditional banks operate very differently. They follow older compliance models and stricter internal checks. This often slows everything down. For most founders, fintech banks are the practical starting point. Traditional banks are possible later, once the business matures. Starting smart reduces early friction. Now let's talk about the most important document of all. This single document affects approval more than anything else: your proof of address. Government-issued letters are also accepted. They work best when recent and clearly readable. Official sources always carry more weight. Utility bills are accepted only in limited cases. They must be in your own name, not a family member's. Otherwise, they often get rejected. Next comes source of funds. Banks must understand where your money comes from. Transparency is non-negotiable. Personal savings are acceptable when properly documented. Your bank statements should support the explanation you provide. Nothing should look unexplained. The rule is simple. Be clear, be honest, and match every claim with documents. This alone avoids most rejections. Now let's cover mistakes you must avoid. These mistakes quietly destroy approval chances. Even strong applications fail because of them. Applying to multiple banks at the same time is risky. Banks can see repeated attempts. It signals desperation, not confidence. Edited or altered documents are a serious red flag. Even small changes can lead to permanent rejection. Never manipulate documents. So what is the best approval strategy? It's not complicated. It's about preparation and discipline. Start with clean UK company incorporation. Ensure all filings are accurate and complete. Foundational clarity matters. Explain your business activity clearly and realistically. Avoid exaggeration or complex jargon. Clarity builds trust. Prepare first. Apply once. That's how approvals happen. Subscribe for clear, practical guidance on non-resident UK company setup and banking. Avoid mistakes. Do it right the first time.